Hi, everybody. Welcome to my channel, and I want to acknowledge my subscribers. Thank you very much for joining my in this journey. All of you, thank you very much from the bottom of my heart. I really appreciate it. For like it, for sharing, and even for the comments. Really does make a difference for me. All your comments, good, bad, I really enjoy it, and I learn it from your comments. Those who carry on with I'm an old man, I should be sleeping and all these things, I would like to advise you guys, what you see is not what you think. First of all, I do work in a place highly required thinking. First of all, I want to clarify that. That's why you don't see me every day, every time on the YouTube. And the reason I'm here, I enjoy share with you my time, my free time, and comment about events and other things happen in life. I'm an African and very proud of the African. And then I say, everybody, how I appreciate from the bottom of my heart all African brothers, whatever, wherever you are. Those comments are not good. But anyway, it's up to you. You can carry on if you are not happy with my comments. I hope you have enjoyed my last video, and let's do it again.
Oh, wow. We're coming live from Nairobi. Nairobi is the
capital city of Kenya. Yeah.
For those who are new here, I'm a student studying in one of the universities, that is Cooperative University, that is located in Karen. And today I'm having who?
Castor here. Hi guys.
Yeah.
Welcome to the live.
Welcome to the live. And today we wanna just answer your questions, you know.
Yeah, and tell you guys the truth.
Those hot questions, you know.
Yeah.
Let's go, man.
1, 2, 3 to you. Happy birthday.
Oh, sorry.
Birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
She's my friend, man. How are you, baby?
Before I start, I want to shout out to Choice TV 04, and thank you very much. I appreciate for your support. Also, I want to acknowledge other brothers and sisters and make you guys aware Mutua Tree is in Africa. Remember, we'll talk about him. Anyway, my previous video was about the pig. Okay, today is about love. Love, love, love. Love, love, surprise. The 10 of so many events in most of the people that we know them. And really things turn around in a such way that we didn't expect. And those things are really quite interesting, that surprise. And to start, we're going to start with a very interesting figure. I want to say thank you to Sergio for the interview, Sergio the Traveler, for the interview he done to Mickey. I love it. I can say we gonna enjoy the revelations of Mickey, not about only love, the character that will be entertained most as African. This is gonna be something very interesting. what she is all about. That quiet person, that shy person, come out like a flower, growing up and showing us the beauty of her. And that is quite interesting. But let's start this analysis, whatever you want to call, by sharing some moments of Mickey Mickey.
Welcome to my channel, Mick.
Thank you so much.
This have been the first time doing with you video.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
And I'm so humbled.
Very.
Very humble.
Actually, it have been a good time, and I'm really feeling. What can I say?
Feeling
sometimes,
great, or-
yeah, feeling great being with you here.
Yeah.
Actually, sometimes you can like want to be with somebody. Maybe you talk to that person. Yeah,
you don't have a time,
you don't have a
at least
time.
to take
Yeah.
chat.
So how is life?
Life is sweet so far, so good. Yeah, I can't complain because I'm great. You can see I'm smiling, I'm cool. Yeah.
I like your tattoo.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's very beautiful.
Thank you so much.
Don't worry, it was just by the way. Fasting fast. I've been following your videos.
My videos?
Yeah.
That's so cool. Thank you so much for the support.
Yeah. Every time when you upload video, I think sometimes I'm in top 5.
For real?
Yeah.
That's so cool. Thank you so much for the support. I also always watch your videos.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. I always support people who support me.
Yeah.
You watch my videos.
But you've not subscribed to me.
I have. Why not?
You have?
For real, the all YouTubers I know, I have subscribed.
Really? Wow. Mickey. This is like a hot table. Sometimes you can bring the fire extinguisher on my side. Sometimes I have a very difficult question.
This way.
Oh, this way. I have very hard questions. Are you ready?
Hard? If it's something I can answer, I will.
Really? Yeah. Oh, but they're not hard questioning. Something when you say that it's hard, it's complicated. But when you take it,
I think they're not complicated. I always say if I'm always ready for questions.
Okay.
But if it's something I can't answer, I can't just do it. But if I can, why not? I will answer.
Okay. Why do you want to leave YouTube?
You watched my video. People were taking advantage of my politeness. Am I polite?
Yeah, you are. You are.
I am.
Yeah, you look polite, by the way.
I even told myself, should I just quit YouTube and concentrate on my studies? But I told myself, I know what I want in life, so I can't just quit YouTube. I have to continue despite the hate and everything. Yeah, I just have to continue because I can't change who I am. I'll forever be the polite person I am, and that's all.
We are back again.
Okay,
So, how have YouTube journey? You started earlier than me. How I want to know how the YouTube journey have been for you.
At least YouTube has taught me a lot that people have to work hard each and every day, and without hard work you can't succeed in life. So since I started YouTube, at least I know the meaning of hard work. I know the definition of working hard. And the journey in YouTube so far, it's just cool because people always show me love, and I really don't take that for granted. If you are my subscriber and you are watching this, you all know that I really love you guys so much for the support you always give me. It takes a lot for somebody to just come and watch your whole video. It's not that easy, but they always do, watching my videos each and every day. I really appreciate it.
Wow. Some people, they can't understand that holding the phone and talking to yourself.
But when I started YouTube, I was like shy recording. I think that's one of my challenge. I'm always an introvert person. I don't like talking. As when I started, I used to like feel shy while recording, but nowadays I'm
all the time you're watching yourself. You know me, I have a challenge. Sometimes if you are a hot-tempered person, I don't think you can work with YouTube. Because
for real,
yeah, because sometimes when I record, people think that I'm recording them, and somebody just
or you are mad just looking around with the phone recording yourself. But anyways, you always do it.
Yeah.
So it's really hard. It's not that easy like recording a video. The whole 30 minutes, it's not easy. But we always do it so that we can entertain you guys.
Sure. Yeah. So how do you balance your studies and YouTube?
That's something possible because you went to university and you know this, that we don't have classes like each and every time. And I have my schedule. When it's time for YouTube, it's time for YouTube. When it's time for me to study, it's time for me to study.
Wow. Yeah. So you give yourself like sometimes a break?
Around 30 minutes for recording a video. Then I go on with my studies.
Wow. Yeah. So like you mostly do it in weekends?
Not weekends, you know, like for me, the last semester, you can find that for a day we have one class, and with me, I'm always a morning person. Like I can't read when it's not in the morning.
Oh, you just go when your brain is sharp.
Yeah, huh? When I just wake up around 4, I go through my books. Yeah, so the whole of the day, maybe I go to classes, then record a video for my subscribers.
You know me, I'm waking up
early. Imagine me, I'm used to it since I was in high school.
Imagine in high school, sometimes the principal could come and pour water in our beds. You know, I never
it was hard for you to wake up in the morning.
All of my studies, I've never schooled around here. I schooled here 3 classes, class 1 to 3. I schooled in a school called Vesco. After that, you know it. Even Marwa schooled there. Even Davy Jnr schooled there. Even Nasto, even Maja schooled there. Most of the YouTubers in Abuhanza schooled there.
Yeah, it's a nice school.
Yeah, it's a nice school. So after that, I went to Machakos. My sister was working at Machakos. Yeah, from class 4 to form 4. I've been schooling to Machakos. In Machakos, yeah.
At least you not spend your time in the village.
Yeah, actually many people.
Your school life.
Yeah, many people started knowing me after 2011. Even my brother, yeah, because we were on those sides. Even I was speaking Kamba.
Wow.
Yeah.
You still know how to speak?
Yeah,
Kamba?
I know how to speak
That's
Kamba.
True.
Yeah, because
rather than us who only know how to speak our language.
Like my mom is Luya.
Oh, your mom is Luya?
Yeah, my mom is Luya.
Both
from.
Of my parents are Korean.
Ah, that's nice. That's by the way, it's nice if you both parents
like
are Korean.
I'm not a half caste. Both parents are Koreans.
So like my mom is Luya Nyore actually, from a place called Rwanda. My dad is Korean. Actually, like your home is that side is close to my Ocha.
Where is your Ocha?
Bohorera.
For real?
Yeah.
How is your grandfather called? Maybe we are related. How is your grandfather called?
Nyangoko. Masega Nyangoko, but he passed on.
I think I know
the last born of my dad, the last born of the family of my dad, I think you know him, is from Masaba, and he stays in Masaba, and is known in Masaba, even is known in Kenya.
Tell me,
Rashid Ronald.
Oh, Rashid, I know him.
Rashid is the last born.
He's your uncle?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
He's the last born in the house of our dad. My mom, my granddad used to have 4 wives. So my dad's house is the first. How do we call it? the first wife. Yeah. Yeah, so
we are now neighbors.
Yeah, we are neighbors there. Even my grandmom is there. Even if you've been killed, I done a video with my grandmom. Yeah, there.
Maybe I even know your grandma.
Maybe you've met her. She like coming to shop on Masaba to buy small fish.
Nyangoko, tell me one of your cousins from Masaba.
You know Wellington.
Apart from the Rashid side.
Yeah, that's why I'm telling you. Do you know Wellington?
I don't think
Wellington stood to run for the politics.
We will talk about that story behind the camera.
Yeah, actually, maybe I don't know. Yeah, let's focus.
Why we are here.
Yeah.
We are even forgetting our
we are.
once we start talking about family issues.
And we pour the beans. Yeah,
so
in camera.
Continue.
Yeah.
You said you have questions.
You are in a vacation or right now?
But my village is not far from here.
No. As in the break, school.
Oh, yeah. You mean like break? We are on long holidays. Yeah.
Does we have a right to judge Mickey? Sometimes I wonder. Or do we have rights to judge love? Well, this interview, Sage of the Traveler, becomes very interesting. I can say to you guys, Sage of the Traveler is become a very, very good YouTuber. I hope he expands more, not only around Nyamboanzi, goes out of Kenya and do other things. What is interest with Sage of the Traveler is the topics that brings up, and those topics time to time makes a difference. But nevertheless, let's not forget about, we have to look on this issue of Mickey, the baby boy, Mr. Davy Jr. How he's growing up, he's realizing there is a different things to do in life and be serious and stop the backy, as has been said somewhere. We need to stop, you need to realize feelings becoming different. And also, we're going to talk about him today.
I love your vibe. I love your vibe so much.
Everybody, I hope you're doing well. I am doing fantastic. So excited about today's video. And in case you're new here, my name is Casta.
Davy Jr. here.
Yeah.
We're coming live and clear from
the village.
Yeah, village.
Finally
we're here.
Finally we're here. Finally this guy managed to bring me back to the village.
Very true. So we traveled during the night.
Yeah.
And today we're here.
Yeah, how do you feel?
I feel good.
Me too. I'm happy.
Yeah.
So right now we are heading to somewhere,
and
then we're just on the road. We just decided we're gonna shoot this introduction and then take you guys along with us. We hope you are going to enjoy this video.
Very true.
Yeah.
Congratulations. You are here, my daughter.
Yeah.
Good. Karibu.
Asante.
You are wonderful. How is your family?
My family is good.
Mom, Dad?
Very great.
Everybody?
They passed my greetings. Their greetings to you.
Oh, congratulations. Welcome
I
to
had
Korea.
missed you, Mama.
Yes, even me had missed you. Yes. How are you?
I'm good.
Okay, Karibu.
Yeah. Happy to see you.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. This is going to be quite interesting, this story here. This is something to be watched. Something that everybody needs to be really watching. Is finally what we always expect was that question: what is Castor's role in this whole relationship of buying tickets and all that? The conversation Junior was having with his mom about polygamy. Remember Maura? I am Maura. The king of travel also done that question to his mom because he's confused. He doesn't know if he gets an Indian girl or European girl or Colombian girl. So there is a genetic thing here with these kids. Congrats, mom. I'm very sorry. Your kids, they got something from somewhere. Anyway, I'm not pointing the fingers. It's nature. Anyway, but what is quite interesting is this relation, Castor and David Jr. have a nice background to become solid, except Davy Jr. changed hearts. And that possibility is 20 or 37%. I'm talking about based on the videos, on the information that is available. But also there is something here very interesting about Castor. He's a very positive, he's very patient, he's committed. I'm not going to compare Castor with Mickey. I have passed earlier a video where Mickey has pronounced herself in that I have asked myself who I am to judge. I have loved Mickey. The only thing, things happen, is nature. It goes the way it goes. And so, but I want to say to you guys, it's all about this relation. This is a quiet interest relation. It's a long due relation. It's been hanging on the air for quite long. Even Castor has harmed herself, has got to a point where she got confused, where she didn't knew what was love. She was getting scared about love. And love, as I have said, does not have smell. It's like water, it's like air. It's like, you don't know, you get confused, you get lost in this world. So, let's pray and let's wish all the best. If you saw the last segment, congrats mom, the way she welcomes Castor tells you that David Jr. had the talk with the parents. I'm quite sure the parents have told David, you need to put shoes that fit your foot, not shoes that fit other people's shoes. And Dave has done a very good job. Congrats, David. And also, David, I need to say to you, it's very good to recognize that your brother, Ayamara, has been your mentor. Put that fake image of hard feelings towards Ayamara, it will not help you. You want to give a good present, a gift, when your brother arrives home. So let's Dimwang also. I'm flooded. I'm expecting to watch this every single day. I come home, I just want to watch what's going on. Again, I want to say thank you to all subscribers. I do my best. Really, I appreciate every single of you. Good comments, bad comments, I really appreciate. It's very useful, but bear in mind, I'm not English speaker. Time to time, I try to push my English in my best way. Also, I want to again mention my appreciation for Choice TV 04 for everything, and Mini Hawaii for reaching me with beautiful words, and all those also have done comments. Please join the channel. Let's enjoy. I'll do what is the best can be done. These are the things sometimes we don't watch for timing or for other reasons, but always somebody pick up and share it. That is the point of YouTube, to share it and make people feel a part of the story. And this is our story of Africa, how the way we do things. In Mozambique, we say a nossa maneira, means the way we do things. So I'm part of the African family. I appreciate every single of you, everybody single of you out there. Yeah, there is something also I want to mention to you guys. And also only YouTube from the East Africa. Let's talk about the West Africa. There is a very, very good YouTuber coming up. I'm going to try to research more about him and bring it. There is Black China, also is a nice one to watch. He's a Nigerian young man in China. Please, start the same way Guatemala started, is roughly closer. Also, thank you very much, everybody. Please, please, I'm on the road to 500. It's up to you to join. I'm going just to say, come, join this train. Let's travel together from Cape Town to Addis Ababa or Tunis, upstate in Africa, up and down. Let's do it together. All right, share it, subscribe, enjoy. Next, we'll talk also about Maja. There is love in this YouTube story. There is love, and real love. Time to time, you get surprised. What love is all about. Anyway, the point is, Maja been researched for love, and now has found Dorina. So, it's not only Maja around, there is further more surprise with love in Nyambwanzi. This YouTube is getting brilliant, it's getting interest. As the king is conquesting Americans, we are seeing things flowering. So when he gets back home, you're gonna find trees planted of love everywhere. Did Dorina conquer a lost heart, or the Burundian traveler is in his way to the moon? And furthermore,